Hello! Today I'm going to show you how you can make this spooky Halloween pumpkin print picture. Let's see what things we will need. Some coloured paper for the background of your picture, some orange poster paint, and an old plate or plastic tray to pour it out onto. A green felt tip marker pen for the stalks of your pumpkins, a black felt tip marker pen for the faces of your pumpkins, and an apple. Oh, and you might want to wear an apron or some old clothes, and put down some newspaper or scrap paper to protect your table. Paint can be very messy. Ask your grown-up to cut the apple in half for you. Knives are very sharp. Look! The cut side is shaped like a pumpkin. Next we need to pour out some orange poster paint onto our old plate. If you don't have any orange paint, you can make some by mixing two other colours. Do you know which ones? Yes, red and yellow mixed together make orange. Choose a piece of coloured paper for the background of your picture. I've chosen purple, but you can choose any colour you like. Now we are ready to use our apple stamp to print pumpkin shapes. Dip the cut side of the apple into the paint and then press it down onto the paper. Carefully lift it up and look! A pumpkin! I'm going to make a whole family of spooky pumpkins, but you can print as many as you like on your paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There! Now we need to wait for the printed pumpkins to dry. Now they are dry, we can use our green pen to draw a stalk coming out of the top of each pumpkin. Like this. The last thing we need to do is to use our black pen to draw faces on our pumpkins. 2 triangles for the eyes, like this. Another one for the nose, and then a big mouth with lots of teeth. Scary! Draw faces on your other pumpkins and your spooky pumpkin print picture is finished. And if these Halloween jack-o'-lanterns are just too scary, why not try drawing cute faces on your pumpkins instead? Or you could make sleepy pumpkins with closed eyes and snoring mouths. Or how about some funny animal pumpkins with ears and tails? Hope you enjoyed our craft today. I'll see you next time for more fun arts and crafts here on Space Station Panda. Broccoli badger's bugs are still missing. Have you seen them anywhere? All 3 of them are hiding somewhere in this video. Watch again to see if you can spot them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, so we know to make more fun craft videos like this one. See you again soon. Bye!